Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. It's Mary here, and I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to set a WhatsApp status. So when you go to the WhatsApp application, below you'll see the five icons. You click on the first icon that says status, and then you either click the camera icon to upload an image or video, or the pen icon to upload a message written by you. So for you to upload media, you click on the camera icon and then you click on the media you wish to upload and you can say for sale. That's how to upload the media. For you to write a post, you click on the write icon and then you write whatever you wish to upload. How are you? You can change the text font by clicking the T icon up, or you can change the background color by clicking the second icon by your right. And when you choose what suits you, you click on the blue icon to post. For you to delete your WhatsApp status, you click on My Status. You click on the three icons by the right, and then you can click on Delete. Or you swipe right to delete, then you click Delete. WhatsApp statuses automatically delete after 24 hours of posting, but if you wish to delete earlier, I've shown you how to. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.